Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to NEET World. This is your Abhilash Sir, Mathematics faculty for EAPCET, KCET and also JEE and even Foundation. Okay, so we have started a questionnaire series. We have started with TG EAPCET 2025 question paper. So let us continue our session and discussion on TG EAPCET 2025 question paper. In the previous two sessions, we have solved some questions. So let us continue from there. So this is the question paper, master question paper, that is actual question paper that was held in 2025 TG EAPCET, that is it was held in the May first week and also April last week. Okay, so let us have a look at these questions. We have solved up to 12 questions, I think. We will continue from there, friends. Okay, these are all the questions which we have already solved, and detailed explanation which is not available anywhere. Detailed explanation is given, detailed solution is given for each and every question. Answers it is visible, but approach and also detailed solution is very much important, so that your concepts become crystal clear. Okay, concepts become very much clear and you will have a lot of clarity when it comes to each and every concept. Okay, let us have a look at the next question that is there. So this is the question we have to solve from question number 13. So have a look at this question. Okay, have a look at this question, friends. So they are telling, what is that they are telling? They are telling that sum of all the roots of the equation. What is the equation? Within modulus, within that again modulus 2x minus 3 minus 4 is equal to 2. So sum of all the roots of this equation they are asking. So since modulus is given, so I can write this as what, friends? So let us solve this. So see here, since modulus is given, if I write this, see what is the question that they have given? 2x minus 3 within modulus minus 4, it is minus 4, this is equal to what? 2. So if I remove this modulus, I will get two cases. If I remove this modulus, I will get two cases. So this is what? 2x minus 3 within modulus minus 4. Okay, this is equal to 2. This is one case. Another case is what, friends? Another case is if I remove modulus 2x minus 3 within modulus minus 4. Okay, this will be minus 2. Okay, if I remove the outside modulus, if I remove, what I will get? 2x minus 3 minus 4 is equal to 2. 2x minus 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. This is one case. And within this, if I remove this, first let me send 4 that side. So this will become what? 2x modulus of 2x minus 3. If I send 4 that side, this will be 2 plus 4, this will be 6. Okay, this will become what? 2x minus 3. Okay, 2x minus 3 within modulus. If I send 4 that side, this will become minus 2 plus 4, this will become plus 2. This will become plus 2. Now again, have a look at this. If I remove this modulus, this will give me two cases. If I remove this modulus, this will give me another two cases. So if I remove this modulus, what I will get? I will get it as 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 6. This will be one case. The another case will be 2x minus 3 is equal to plus 6. Okay, modulus if I remove, I will get it as plus and minus. Similarly for this one, I will get it as what? 2x minus 3 is equal to what I will get? 2x minus 3 is equal to, 2x minus 3 is equal to what? 2x minus 3 is equal to, see here, 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Another thing is what I will get? 2x minus 3 is equal to plus 2. This is what I will get. Now I have to find out the values of x. That is each of them, for each of the cases, 4 cases I got, I will get 4 roots. What are those 4 roots? Here if I send x that side, if I send 3 this side, this will become minus 3 plus 6. Minus 6 plus 3, this will become minus 3. So x will be equal to minus 3 by 2. X will be equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, what about this one? X will be equal to 9 by 2. Okay, this is one root. Now this will become what? X will be equal to what? Minus 2 plus 3. So this will become x will be equal to 1 by 2. Here what will be the case? Minus 3, if it goes that side, x will be equal to 5 by 2. Okay, x will be equal to 5 by 2. So what is that they are asking? Sum of all the roots of the equation. That means what? I should add all of this. If I add all of this, what I will get? That is minus 3 by 2 plus, what is that? Plus 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. What is it? Plus 5 by 2. Plus 5 by 2. So this what I will get, friends? Minus 3. This is what? 9 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 by 2. So this is what? Minus 3 plus 15 is nothing but what? I will get 12. 12 by 2 is nothing but equal to what? 6. That is option is 3. That is third option. That is 6 is the correct answer, friends. I hope it is clear. Fairly simple question. Okay, it is a fairly very simple question. See here, you should know the concept of modulus function. That's it. Based on that, they have given double modulus function. Based on that, you will get, if it is single modulus function, you will get 2 roots. Since it is double modulus, you will get 4 roots. All those 4 roots if you add, what is the value you will get? That is 6. 6 is the correct answer, friends. Okay, let us have a look at this question. Let us have a look at this question. What they have given here is, they have given if the quotient and remainder obtained when the expression this expression is divided by x square minus 2x plus 3, okay, or ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d and px plus q respectively. Then ab plus cd, they are asking the value of ab plus cd, then they are asking the value of what, ab plus cd. So first let us divide this, by this expression. So what I have to do, I have to divide this by this expression. So what I have to do, see here, so this is given what, 3x to the power of 5 minus 6x to the power of 4. Okay, such kind of questions you would have done even in your matriculation, that is 10 standard. Okay, very simple question. See here, plus 2x cube, okay, what is this, plus 4x square minus 5x plus 8, okay, plus 8. This I have to divide by what, I have to divide by see here, I have to divide by what, I have to divide by, what is it, x square minus 2x plus 3. In polynomial chapter you would have already learned how to divide, long division method, all these things. So this will become what, this will become 3x cube, okay. If I multiply, I will get it as 3x to the power of 5 minus 2 3s are 6, okay, 2 3s are 6 into x cube is x to the power of 4, okay, x to the power of 4 I will get, okay, I will get it as what, minus 2 3s are 6, x to the power of 4 plus this is what, 3 into 3 is plus 9x cube plus 9x cube. Now if I subtract this, what I should get, see here, minus plus minus, okay, what I should get, this will become 0 and again this will also become 0. So what I will have, friends, I will have minus, what is this, minus 7x cube plus 4x square, okay, plus 4x square. Please observe, focus only on the violet color, okay, violet color what I am writing, okay, plus 4x square minus 5x, this is what I will have, minus 5x, this is what I will have. Just a minute. This is what I will have, 4x square minus 5x, this is what I will have. Now here in the quotient what I should write, what, here x square is there, x cube is there, 7x cube is there. So what I should write, friends, I should write here minus 7x, okay, minus 7x, this is done, forget about that, minus 7x. So x square into 7 is what, 7x square, x into x is x cube, x square into x is x cube. So focus here, this will become what, friends, this will become minus 7x cube, minus 2 is there, minus 2x is this, sir, minus into minus is plus. So plus 2 7s are 14x square plus this is what, 3 is there, 3 into 7 is minus 21x, okay, minus 21x, okay. If I divide this, what I will get, see here, if I separate, this will become plus, this will become minus, this will become plus, okay, this will become plus, this will cancel, this is minus, right, 14 minus 4, this will become minus 10x square, this is plus 21 minus 5, this will be plus 16x, this will be what, plus 16x, okay, plus 16x, what is left, plus 8. So here we have x square, here we have minus 10x square, so I should write what here, minus 10. So if I multiply, I will get it as what, minus 10x square, what is this, minus 2 into 10 is what, minus 2 into 10 is plus minus 10, that is minus 10, so this will become plus 20, x is not there, this will become x, okay, plus 3 into 10, minus 30. So if I take this one, what I will get here, friends, this will be 0, this will be what, minus 20 plus 16, what I will get here, I will write it here, what I will get, minus 4x plus this will be plus 38. Now this is the quotient we got, so quotient is what, 3x cube minus 7x minus 10, okay, what is the remainder, that is minus 4x plus 38, this is what we got. Now if you compare this, they are telling ax cube plus bx square plus cx minus d, what they are telling the quotient, in the question what they have given, this is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx, what is that, plus cx minus d, or plus d, okay, plus cx, let me wipe this and see, plus cx plus d, okay, I hope it is clear to you, plus cx plus d, okay. Now if I compare this, a is equal to what, I will get a is equal to 3, b is equal to what, b is not there, here x square term is not there, that means what, b will be equal to 0, be very careful, b will be equal to 0, b is not 7. Now what will be the value of c, c will be equal to minus c, then what about d, d will be equal to minus 10, d will be equal to minus 10 friends, d will be equal to minus 10. All these things we got. Now what about the remainder? Remainder is px plus q. Remainder is px plus q. I will write it here. So that means what? P will be equal to minus 4. What about q? Q will be equal to 38. Q will be equal to 38. Now they are asking us to find, what is that they are asking? Then they are asking us to find what? Then AB plus CD is equal to what? AB plus CD is equal to what? First let us find AB plus CD. First let us find AB plus CD. I will write it here. AB plus CD. AB plus CD. A is what friends? A is 3 into B is what? 0 plus CD. C is what? C is what friends? C is minus 7. Minus 7. D is what? Minus 10. So this I will get it as what? 3 into 0 is 0. 7 into 10 is 70. Minus into minus will become plus. So I got 70. So in this equation, P plus 2Q, if I put the values, I should get the value equal to 70. So P is what? P is equal to what I got? P is equal to minus 4. This will be what I will get? Minus 4. In the first option it is minus 4 plus 2Q. 2Q is what? 2 into 38, that is 76. 76 minus 4 is I will get it as 72. That is not equal to 70. So first option is ruled out. Okay. Second option they have given the answer. Before that let us check the third option. 2p. 2p is nothing but what? 2p is nothing but minus 8 plus q, that is 38. I will get it as what? I will get it as 30, which is not the right answer. So third option is ruled out. What about fourth option? 2p is nothing but what? 2p is nothing but minus 8 plus q is 38, okay, minus 2. So this is what? This will become equal to 28, which is not the answer. But look at the second option. Second option is what? P plus 2q minus 2. So P plus 2q. P is what? P is minus 4. P is minus 4. Next 2q is what? 2q is 76. 76 minus 2. So this gives me what? Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. 76 minus 6 is I will get it as 70. So here also it is 70. AP plus CD, that is also 70. So the correct answer is option 2. Okay. The correct answer is option 2 friends. This is how you solve the question. Okay. This is little lengthy method I know, but I have to explain it so that you understand each and every step. But otherwise you can solve it in a very fast way if you know how to do the long division method. Each and everything I have explained in a detailed way. Okay. I hope it is clear. Please have a look at this. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this, okay, and you can solve by yourself. Okay. Let us go to the next question friends. Let us go to the next question. Alright, let us move to the next question friends. If you want the solution, please take a screenshot of that. Okay. Look at this question. They were given what? Have a look at this question friends. This is also simple. They were given alpha, beta, gamma, delta are the roots of the equation such that alpha, beta, gamma, delta is equal to 1. Okay. Alpha plus beta, gamma by gamma plus delta is greater than 1. Then alpha plus beta by gamma plus delta is equal to what they are asking. First, let us take the equation that they have given. So let us take the equation that they have given. So let us take the equation that they have given. What is the equation that they have given? Let me write it here. See here friends. They have given 12x to the power of 4 minus 56x cube. Okay. Plus 89x square plus 89x square minus 56x plus 12 is equal to 0. So here what I can see is x to the power of 4 is there. So what here I can do is my star step would be divide everything throughout by x to the power of 2. Divide everything by x to the power of 2, that is nothing but x square. So this will become what? This will become 12x square. This will become what? 56x. If I divide by x square, this will become 56x plus 89, okay, minus 56. If I divide by x square, this will become 56 by x. This will become what? 56 by x. This will become what? If I divide by x to the power of 2, this will become 12 by x square. This is equal to 0. Now I will write all the x square terms one side and together, not one side, together, and x terms together. So this will become what? 12x square minus, this will be what? Plus 12 by x square minus 56x, okay, minus 56x minus 56 by x. This is what? Plus 89 is equal to 0. Plus 89 is equal to 0. Here let me take x square common, or let me take 12 common. If I take 12 common, I will get it as what? X square plus 1 by x square. I will get it as what? X square plus 1 by x square. Now if I take minus, this is what? Minus 56 common. If I take, this will become x plus 1 by x. This will become what? X plus 1 by x plus 89 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Now directly I cannot solve this question. So I have to do what? That is, next method is what? We have to use some substitution. Let me put t is equal to x plus 1 by x. Now you will ask me, sir, what about x square plus 1 by x? X square. So let me tell you how to do that. Let me take first x plus 1 by x is equal to, let t is equal to x plus 1 by x. Okay, let t is equal to x plus 1 by x. that is x plus 1 by x, let it be equal to t. Then what about x square plus 1 by x square? So if I square on both sides, what I will get? X plus 1 by x. If I square on both sides, what I will get? I will get it as x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into 1 by x plus x, that is nothing but equal to 2, that is equal to t square. But I want what? X square plus 1 by x square. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to what? T square minus 2. This is what I have. So if I put these values here, what I will get, friends? If I put the values here, what I will get? I will get it as what? Let me solve it here. So this will become what? 12 into x square plus 1 by x square is what? T square. Okay, it is t square minus 56 into t. Okay, 56 into t plus 89 is equal to 0. This is what I get. Plus 89 is equal to 0. This is what I get. Now this is what I get. Now I have to solve this quadratic equation. If I solve this quadratic equation, what I will get is, see here friends, if I solve this quadratic equation, I will get one of the value t is equal to what? One of the value I will get it as what? Just a minute. One of the value I will get it as what? Have a look at this. One of the value I will get it as 13 by 2. Okay. One of the value I will get it as 13 by 2. Okay. Another value t I will get it as 3 by 2. Okay. 13 by 2 and 3 by 2. Okay, something like this I will get it. 13 by 2 and 3 by 2, something like this I will get it. Okay, excuse me just a minute. Okay, excuse me just a minute. Let me drink some water. Please have a look at this question. Okay. So let us resume. So where we had left 12x square plus x 1 by x square. Okay. So this minus 56 x plus 1 by x plus 18 by. Okay. So this will be what? This will be actually let us have a look at this. This will be actually not 13 by 2. So let us have a look at this. On solving this, we will get it as, let us solve this. We will get it as t minus 13 by 6. Okay. Actually we will get it as t minus 13 by 6. This will be equal to t minus 5 by 2. This will be equal to 0. So this will be equal to what? If I equate it to 0, this will be equal to t is equal to 13 by 6. This will be equal to t is equal to 5 by 2. This is what we will have. Okay, we got the value of t as 13 by 6 and t is equal to 5 by 2. This is the value I got. Now this is the t values I got. Now what I can take? T is nothing but what, friends? T is nothing but x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is equal to 13 by 6. X plus 1 by x is equal to 13 by 6. So another value x plus 1 by x is equal to what? X plus 1 by x is equal to what? We got it as 5 by 2. We got it as what? 5 by 2. X plus 1 by x is nothing but what, friends? This is sum of the zeros. This is sum of the zeros. If I take x is equal to alpha, okay, then 1 by x becomes what? Beta. Why it becomes beta? So because see here, alpha into beta is equal to 1. So alpha is equal to 1 by beta. So alpha is equal to x means 1 by x is beta. Similarly, if I take x is equal to gamma, okay, then 1 by x becomes delta. Because why? 1 by x becomes delta. So what is that? 1 by x become, just a minute, 1 by x becomes delta because gamma delta is equal to 1. So 1 by x becomes equal to delta. Okay, 1 by x become equal to delta. So 1 by x becomes equal to delta. So this becomes what? X is equal to alpha, 1 by x is equal to beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to 13 by 6. I will get it as what? I will write here, next step, I am writing it here, alpha plus beta is equal to what? 13 by 6. Then what is it? Gamma plus delta, what I am having? I will get it as 5 by 2. Now what we have to do is, they are asking us to find alpha plus beta by gamma plus delta. That is nothing but what? I will write it as 13 by 6 divided by what I will get? 5 by 2. Okay, if I simplify this, what I will get? 13 by 6 into 2 by 5. What I will get it here? 2 1s are 2 3s are. So this is nothing but equal to what? This is nothing but equal to 13 by 5 3s are 15. Okay, is it done? Can I write it as 13 by 15? No, because they are telling alpha plus beta by gamma plus delta, this should be equal to greater than 1, but this is less than 1. So what I should do? First, I can take this as the first value and this as the second value. That is, I can write this as what? Alpha plus beta by gamma plus delta. I can write it as what? First I should write it as 5 by 2 divided by 13 by 6. So this gives me what? This gives me 5 by 2 this gives me 5 by 2 into 6 by, what is this? Let me write it here. 5 by 2 into 6 by 13. Okay, 5 by 2 into what? 6 will go up, 13 will come down. So this one, the 2 3s are, so this will give me what? 5 3s are 15, 15 by 13. This is what? This is actually greater than 1. So this is greater than 1. So this is my answer. So alpha plus beta by gamma plus delta, the answer is 15 by 13. That is option 4. That is option 4 is the right answer, friends. Option 4 is the right answer. I hope it is clear. Okay, option 4 is the right answer. I hope it is clear to all of you. I hope it is clear to all of you. So let us have a look at the next question, friends. Let us have a look at the next question. So next question that they have given is, so in this question first you have to divide by x square and you have to put the value of x plus 1 by x square as t square, x plus 1 by x is t square, that is t square minus 2, x plus 1 by x is nothing but equal to t. So you will get a quadratic equation. Then if you solve the quadratic equation you will get the value of t. Then you have to put it as x plus 1 by x. So alpha you will get it as x and beta is nothing but equal to 1 by x. Similarly beta, gamma you will get it as x and 1 by x you will get it as delta, because why? Alpha beta is equal to 1, so alpha is equal to 1 by beta, gamma delta is equal to 1, so gamma is equal to 1 by delta, so that will equate it. So alpha plus beta by gamma plus delta you will get the value, but that value if you get it less than 1, that value you should not take it, because they are telling what? It should be greater than 1. That's why we didn't take what? What is the value we didn't take? That is, we didn't take the value that is 13 by 15, because it is less than 1. Then we did it like this. We took the values in an inverse way. Okay, we gave different value for alpha plus beta, we took it as 5 by 2, earlier we took it as 13 by 6. Gamma plus delta we took it as 13 by 6, earlier we took it as 5 by 2. Then we take it like this, we will get it as 15 by 13, it is actually greater than 1. So that is equal to option D, which is the right answer, which is greater than 1. Now let us have a look at this. This is based on permutation and combination. If all the letters of the word academician are permuted in all possible ways, then the number of permutation in which no A's are together and all consonants are together is. So for this question, first we have to know that how to arrange the consonants and how to arrange the vowels. So when it comes to consonants, what are the consonants that we have in this word? So in the consonant, what are the consonants we have? That is C, D, okay, C, D, M, again C and N. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can be arranged in how many ways? 5 factorial, okay, 5 factorial by 2 factorial, because C is repeating 2 times. That is nothing but equal to what? 5 factorial is nothing but equal to 120. 120 by 2 is nothing but equal to, that is nothing but equal to 60. Okay, 120, that is nothing but equal to 60. So this can be arranged in 60 ways when it comes to consonants. Now along with consonants, now we have to look at the what we have to look at? We have to look at the vowels. What are the vowels that we have? Here the vowels that we have is A, again A, E, I, again A. Okay, so how many vowels are there? 6 vowels. Okay, but no A should be together means, that means repetition of A should be removed. That means what? That means what? So this should be 6 factorial divided by how much? 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial. This gives me what? 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial. This gives me what? So this is 6 into 5 into 4. Okay, 6 into 5 into 4. This is what we get. Okay, this is nothing but equal to 120. 120. So this we got it as 120. Now we have to arrange consonant along with vowels in such a way that no two should come together. So this becomes how many ways? So this becomes 120 into 60 ways. This is for vowels, this is for consonants. So that is nothing but equal to what? 0, 0, 12, 6 is 72. So the answer is what? Very simple question. The answer is 7200, friends. First arrange the vowels, first arrange the consonants, then arrange the vowels. Look at the repetitions and no two A should be together. Please keep that in mind. That means remove the repetitions of A. So you will get it as what? Then if you remove the repetitions of A, then what will happen? Then no two A's will be together. Then this becomes option A, that is 7200. Okay, I hope it is clear. Till now we solved how many questions? Question 13, 14, 15 and 16. Let us have a look at some other questions also. I hope it is clear. Okay, such kind of explanation you are getting only in NEET World. So please make use of it. Okay, please make use of it. You can take screenshot of this if you want, of this solution. Please take a screenshot of this solution if you want. Okay, let us move to next question, friends. Let us move to next question. Have a look at this. Very interesting question. See, first of all, you have to like the concepts. You should not take it as a burden. You have to like the concept, like the subject. Then you can enjoy the process. Then you will not find it as hard work. Okay, then you will enjoy the process. You will not find it as hard work. Then you will try to enjoy the process. So please have a look at this. So they have given, what is the question that they are telling? Here they are telling the number of all possible 3-letter words that can be formed by choosing 3 letters from the word February, so that a vowel always occupies the middle place. Vowel always occupies the middle place is. Okay, vowel always occupies the middle place. So here we have to be careful. They are telling what? From February we have to make 3 letter words in such a way that in the middle there should be an vowel. So first let us write what is that? February is given. February is given. These what are the vowels? E is a vowel, U is a vowel, A is a vowel. We have to form 3 letter words in such a way that what? Your vowel should come, consonant should come. Your vowel should come, consonant should come. Okay, like that how many pairs we can make? We can make 3 pairs because there are 3 vowels. How many vowels? Vowels, what are the vowels that we have? Vowels that we have is E. Let me write it in order. Vowels that we have is A, E and U. So let me write. So this will be, I can write it as what? First letter that I will get is A will be here, here there will be consonant. Another letter that we will get is, this will be in various ways. How many ways we have to find out? Another letter that is, another vowel that will be in middle is U. Here there will be what? Consonants. Here also consonant. Okay, here there will be consonant. This is not C, this is consonant. Okay, consonant. Now another letter that is, another vowel that is there is U. U is here, here there will be consonant. Here there will be what? Consonant. Now let us find out for first one. For remaining we will just multiply by 3, that's it. First let us look at for this one. How to find out for this one? Now we have placed A. Okay, already we have placed A. Now how to find out for consonant? We have fixed A. We have to find out for consonants. For consonants, first of all, what are the consonants that we have? We have F, B, R, Y, because there are 2 R's. Okay, F, B, R, Y. Okay, now here what we have to do is, we have taken, first we are fixing A. Okay, first we are focusing on this. We are fixing A means we have to write complete words. That is F, E, B, R, U, R, Y. Why I am not writing A? A is already fixed. This A is already fixed here. Okay, this A is already fixed here. Okay, so I am not writing it. Now what I have to do is, now to arrange this, what are the various ways that is there? Suppose here we are having 2 R's. If I take 2 R's are taken, 2 R's taken means, what is the way I can arrange? R here, A here, again R here. So there is how many ways? 1 way. Okay, suppose if I take only 1 R, 1 R taken means, if 1 R is taken, okay, if 1 R is taken, then how many letters are there? If 1 R is taken means how many letters are there? If 1 R is taken means we have how many letters? F, E, B, R, U, Y. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 1 R is taken means another 5 letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 1 R is taken means F, E, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This R I have to remove. Only 1 R is taken. No. So this R I have to remove definitely. Another R I am not taking. So 1 R is already taken. Remaining letters are what? F, E, B, R is removed, U, Y. Okay, R is removed, U, Y. So F, E, B, U, Y. So this will be like A will be here, R will be here some other consonant, or A will be here, R will be here there is some other consonant. Here how many consonant or whatever? Okay, middle there should be vowel. Here how many ways I can do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be 5 into 2. Okay, this can be 2 ways. One way, this is another way. This can be 2 ways. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be 5 into 2, 10. Okay, 5 into 2, 10. Now, if no R's are taken, if R is not taken at all, if no R's taken means this will become what? This will become what? What is left? If no R's is taken means we have what? If no R's is taken means we will have F, E, B, U, Y. Okay, so out of this we have to take A is taken, here some other letter is taken. Out of the 5 letters we have to take 2 letters. So that can be taken in, arranged in how many ways? We have to arrange in 5p2 ways. 5p2 is nothing but equal to what? That is permutation of, that is selecting, that is arranging two letters out of 5 letters. That is arranging, not selecting. Selecting means it is combination. 5p2 will give us 20. So this one combination itself, this will become what? This will become 20. I'll write it here. This will become 20. This is what we got. So to arrange this itself, what are the things we got? First is 1, next what we got 10 plus what we got 20. So this is equal to what? 20 plus 10 plus 1 is, we will get it as 31. We will get it as 31. So this is for what? This is for arranging A dash dash, that is consonant and consonant. Next another one is E consonant and consonant, another 31. Similarly for U consonant consonant, we will get it as what? Another 31. So this total, if you add all of this, we will get it as what? 93. If we add all of this, what we will get it as, friends? We will get it as 93, which is nothing but equal to option 2, that is 93. Okay. So elaborately I have explained along with concept, not just the solution, along with concept I have explained this. Okay. I hope it is clear. Okay. All right. I hope it is clear. Let us move to the next question. Let us move to the next question. So they are telling what? What they are telling is the number of ways in which 6 boys and 4 girls can be arranged in a row such that between any 2 girls there must be exactly 2 boys. There are 6 boys and 2 girls. We should arrange the 4 girls in such a way that between any 2 girls there should be exactly 2 boys, not at most or at least, exactly 2 boys. That means what? We have to arrange these 4 girls. So here there will be a girl, then boy, boy. Here there will be a girl and there will be boy, boy. Here there will be a girl and there will be boy, boy, and another 1 girl. So we have how many boys? 6 boys, and how many girls? 4 girls. 6 boys can be arranged in how many ways? 6 factorial ways. Similarly 4 girls can be arranged in how many ways? In 4 factorial ways. In 4 factorial ways. So I can write this as what? 6 factorial. If I want to get it in this form, 6 factorial can be written as 6 into 5 into 4. Okay. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Okay. And what about 4 factorial? I can write it as just, I can write it as 4 into 3 into 2. Okay. 4 into 3 into 2. Now 6 into 4 is what? 6 into 4 is, I will get it as 24, and 4 into 24 into what is this? 24 into 3 into 2. This is nothing but what? 24 into 6. 24 into 6. Now what is left? 5 into 4 into 3. This is 5 into, what is this? 24 into 6 is 144. This is what? 5 into 4 into what is this? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So this is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. So this is 4 factorial ways, 4 into 3 into 2. So what we have now is, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. So that is what we have here. 6 into 4 is done. Now we have 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Okay. So what I can write this 24 into 6, I can write it as what? 144. 144. This 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 is nothing but what? This is nothing but equal to 5 factorial. 5 factorial means what? 5 multiplied by remaining numbers which is lower than 5, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, that is nothing but equal to 5 factorial, that is nothing but equal to option 3. This is how we solve this question. Okay. I hope it is clear. This concept you have to understand. How to arrange this, you should be very much thorough. Okay. How to arrange this, that is a trick with respect to this question. Then 6 boys can be arranged in 6 factorial ways, similarly 4 girls can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. This you have to modify in such a way that we will get the option. Okay. If you modify, we will get the option as option 3. I hope it is clear, friends. So I will wind up the session now. I hope the session was useful. Please do like and share it with your friends. Like this, we will be solving remaining questions of TG EAPCET, and then we will be solving AP EAPCET, and then JEE Mains questions of 2025 also. Alright friends, I hope the session was useful. So please stay tuned to NEET World, and also please like and subscribe. Okay. Please stay tuned to NEET World for useful content, be it for physics, chemistry, mathematics, and also for, if you are NEET students, even for botany and zoology. Okay friends, thank you, take care.